Hi friends, my name is Anderson and I'm so glad to be in this wonderful property. One of the things that gets you excited about real estate is when you have good clients who can trust you. I'm here to show you this wonderful piece of semi-detached four-bedroom duplex with BQ here in Chevron. I'm going to walk you through, and trust me, this is a lovely apartment you don't want to miss. One of the things you need to do while choosing a property, you have to look at the locations, you have to look at the facilities around, you have to look at the good road networks in the environment. These are things you need to look out for when deciding to purchase that property. So I'm going to walk you in through and show you this lovely and spacious property here in Chevron, Lagos State. Come on in and I will walk you through. So as you can see, this is the walkway of the compound, and this is very spacious and can take up to, you can line up to 5 cars thereabout. It comes with your carport. I'm just going to walk you around the compound. You can see you have your generator house there, and this place can contain your car here, and you can see the level of setback here. You can see the setback, and this is a spacious place for you. Thing about it is the choice of quality furniture. The choice of quality furniture is really amazing, and this is from a well-polished laid entrance door, and you can see you can also automate this door and make it suitable for what you have. So what you have here is a guest toilet. You have the guest toilet. You can see this is very lovely and nice, and you have your dining area over here. And the beauty about this lovely bedroom is the headroom. You can see the headroom. The headroom makes your apartment more spacious. It makes it more airy, and you can see the lighting. You can see it's well ventilated, and this is really a good buy. Trust me. It's a massive sitting room here, and I'll just walk you through to other rooms. So this is the kitchen. This is lovely. I love this kitchen, and you can see the islander. The islander is made of good marble. It's well designed with good marble fittings here, and you can see the wash hand basin, the cooker, the heat extractor, and it has good storage spaces. You can see the storage spaces you have in here. You can see good storage spaces over here and down here. Even under the islander here, you have good storage space, and you have a space for your refrigerator and other good storages here. It also comes with a little storeroom here where you can have your kitchen utensils and food stuff. Trust me, this is a good buy. Look at the POP design. It's really lovely, and you can see the lighting as well. This is really cool. Okay, so here we are at the first floor level of this property. Here we have your masters, the first room, the mother's room. This, trust me, is a masterpiece here in Chevron. If this is one thing you want to get, trust me, let's have a chat, send me a message, and we'll have to seal this. My name is Anderson, and trust me, I love to give you the best deal. Thank you.